Australian Antarctic stations are small enclosed units that have a very limited redundancy in areas such as medical support, engineering and technical support, and food and catering. If COVID-19 was to get into these Antarctic stations, there's a real risk that we actually couldn't continue operations and may have to evacuate or close the station. So it's imperative for us that we do everything we can to prevent COVID-19 to get into those stations. The last 6 months have been a really challenging 6 months for the Antarctic Division. We had to implement new procedures that allowed us to completely quarantine our expeditioners going down there, to check them as they left. All of our cargo had to be checked. We implemented a no visitor program to prevent visitors actually going to the Antarctic, to prevent the risk of spread. And we implemented social distancing for any of the crews delivering cargo, both aviation and shipping. We separated those from our expeditioners in Antarctica. We stopped a lot of the transit programs that were occurring through our stations. I'm thrilled that we've been able to quarantine and protect these stations for the long, isolated winter months. Our task going forward now is to plan and prepare for the resupply of these stations in the 2020-2021 summer season. So even here in our offices at Kingston, we've closed those to the public. These offices provide telemedicine and tele-maintenance support to those stations. We have teams here in Kingston who can mobilise to support those immediately. We must keep the teams here at Kingston healthy to protect and preserve life in Antarctica.